What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here I have a little tip for you. If you're using a universal socket, and especially if it's old, a lot of times they're pretty floppy, and when you're trying to get onto a bolt, it's hard to get onto. So like if we're in the back here, sometimes it's not that easy to just get on there. So one tip for you is you can take a little bit of electrical tape, just wrap it around the universal. Just like that. And then the universal will still swivel around, but it's gonna stay a little bit more solid, so it's gonna be a lot easier to get onto a bolt. Have a lot more precise ability to get the job done. There's a little tip for you.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.